Hello, my name is Andres Bermudez, and my dream destination is Turkey. Why? Turkey is a country that stretches from Eastern Europe to Western Asia with cultural connection to the ancient Greek, Persian, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. Of course, this Middle Eastern country has quite a few tourist spots. The first spot place or the first tourist place is Istanbul. Istanbul is major city in Turkey located in Europe and Asia along the Bosphorus Straits. The old city reflects the cultural influences of the various empires that the rules region. The flying from Colombia costs about 3 millions pesos and the night of accommodation is around 200,000 pesos. The second tourist place is Pamukkale. Pamukkale is a town located in the western half of Turkey famous for its mineral-rich hot springs that emanate from which travel rocks terrace. It boasts Yeperlis, an ancient spa city that was founded around um, among the ruins you can find a well-preserved theater and necropolis with sarcophagus that extend for 2 kilometers. The flying from Colombia costs about 4 million pesos and the night of accommodation is around 200,000 pesos. The third tourist place is Goreme. Goreme or Goreme is the name of series of valleys and population of this valley. In the Cappadocia region of central Anatolia, Turkey, it is located 20 east of Nevşehir and belongs to the province of the same name. Hot air balloon tours, museums, and exhibitions, day trips, transfer from to airport, tickets, tours, Göreme quads. Thank you.